puppies.
Okay. I'm gonna go check. See if they laid an egg.
Oh. Hey, Mum.
Yeah?
Look here.
What is it?
Look.
Did Spook lay that?
Look.
What do you think, Kate? Go check it out.
Come and check it out. Check it out, Aiden. What did you lay this egg? It's ginormous.
It is ginormous. Who laid that egg?
Give me that egg. Nothing in it.
Oh, maybe the chick came out.
A chick. Maybe the chick did.
What do you think?
Nope, only the fake one.
Only the fake one in there. Well, have a look around.
That's a joke. I think. Let me show it to Dad.
Okay, you go show Dad.
I think every 2 nights and I think every 2 nights and 12 hours.
Yeah.
They lay an egg.
Oh, that's true. So who do you think laid that egg? You don't know, huh?
Maybe it wasn't an egg.
Maybe it wasn't an egg, huh? Let's see what Dad thinks.